Pardon the fireworks in the background. It is currently July 3rd, which means this neighborhood is going to be popping fireworks for the next week. So this is the boat. It's currently got a tarp over the old cover, and no surprise it's got puddles on top of it. It just rained earlier out of nowhere. And I just got the boat cover I ordered from Amazon and supports. And I'm about to swap them out and see how it looks. I understand if you're not able to understand me, so I'm going to speak real close to the camera. Yeah, I know, neighborhood fireworks, gotta love it. This is the state of the boat. It's got a lot of dust on it. Last time I had it out, I was getting it tuned up because I thought it was having running issues, which apparently was me being an idiot, but also it needed a lot of stuff. Or it needed tuning up real bad. It was running rough. Pretty much it's been sitting back here for a while. I'm starting to think the bed liner was a mistake. If I can find a way to remove it, I will, and put down regular carpet. I also might be able to get another troll motor for it from my grandfather. He took one off his boat and replaced it with a spot lock one. Although this one does work. It's got some cracks on it though. The pull string apparently also broke on it. I did not know that. Fireworks are loud. So my next move now is to put the new boat cover on. Fireworks are still really loud. Okay, these are my two support poles I ordered. They're iCover ABS support poles. And they are adjustable from 1 foot up to 54 inches. Made in China. This is the new cover. It is an RV masking brand. 100% warranty card. I need to keep that. This is the manual for everything. Tells you how to put it on. Didn't say much else. It's made in China apparently. Let's see, it says we're close. RV masking 800D 100 up to 98-inch width gray. New, made in China. Model number and everything. I'll put the link, the screenshot up when I edit this. Same with the support poles. Let's get this thing out and see if it fits. Alright, the new boat cover's on. Took me a minute. The poles didn't want to cooperate at first. You have to keep tension on them. This pole cover's a little bit bigger than actually needed, but it'll work, I think. Seems to be a lot tougher than the old one. It's more of a woven fabric than that other crap was. It's 800 denier rated. I think that'll work. If it rips, I'll let y'all know. It's hot, I'm tired, and sweaty. Good night, CB Tech Stuff. Boat cover update. Amazon boat cover. It's been about a week, so far so good. It is about 98 right now outside. It's sunny. Supports are holding. This looks like it's moving pretty good. There might be a concern about puddling right there though. Hopefully not. This is a much thicker material. And here's the pipes from the shed. You can see how they warped and melted and busted. These so-called furniture grade connectors I bought off Home Depot aren't worth a crap. So I do not recommend buying them if you live in a warmer climate like the South. So anyway, there's that update. The support poles were a pain to put in, but so far it looks like they're working. They're just a little awkward. And that's all for this update.